Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hello Helper. And friend, today I'm going to share with you how you can insert video, audio and image in your CapCut software. So friend, in this video I will show you step by step process to insert and import image, photo, video and audio file. So keep watching. So friend, first thing first, we are going to open CapCut. And friend, here we are going to create project first. You simply click on it. And here you can see my project is created. Now I'm going to rename the project name. For example, import image and video and audio. Okay. So this is my topic name over here. And now we are going to insert image, video and audio first. Okay, so how we can do that? We simply click on this import button and find out the location where your files are available. Okay, so now I want to insert image first. So here we are going to select image, or you can multiple image select by press Ctrl key and then manually hold it and then click by this way. Okay, so what happened, all the images will import over here. This is the first method. Now we are going to share with you the second method to insert your image and audio file. Okay, we simply click on this image folder which is available over here, and we want to add video clip first. Okay, so we are going to select that video file and then directly drag into that software. Okay, so here we are going to drag that video file over here. Okay, now we are going to insert audio file. Okay, so how we can do that? We simply select that audio file and then drag into our project. Okay, so friend, you can see that my audio file, video file and images are available. So we want to insert first thing this video file. Okay, my video file is inserted over here and we want to add this audio file also. Okay, so friend, you can see that my audio file is also inserted over here. Okay, now we are going to insert the images. Okay, so by this way you can insert the image and you will see this option, then simply drag this one place to another place where the audio will finish. Okay, you simply scrolling down and you can do that. Okay, now we are going to scale up this image, so we are going to simply drag this here and you can do in center. Okay, so by this way you can easily do that. Okay, now my video file, my audio file and image file is inserted into my CapCut. Okay, let's play these things how it will work. Okay, so
The alpha doesn't beg. The alpha doesn't chase. The alpha doesn't wait for permission. The alpha leads. Hey, while the world.
So friend, you can see that my all files are inserted into CapCut. So friend, if you like this video, then click on like button and share with your friends and family so they can also learn about these things. And if maybe you have any query or question, you can comment me below, so I will give you the answer. So friend, thank you for watching and stay tuned with me. We will meet in next video. Stay tuned.